I will explain the alert mode in the doorbell device setup. This convenient function lets you check on visitors even when you are away by quickly receiving alarms for motion, body, and face recognition. Passive infrared sensor detects human body motion. You can set the sensor's sensitivity in stages. When the body sensor is turned on, you will receive an alert if any movement is detected in front of the door, or if a visitor stays at the door even if they do not ring the doorbell. When the body sensor is turned off, the device will not receive an alert when someone passes by at this time, even if the human figure detection is on. Human figure detection uses image analysis technology. When the passive infrared sensor and human figure detection are both on, an alarm will only be reported when detections are triggered at the same time. The reported alarm message type will either be human figure detection or face detection. When the tamper alarm is on, if someone removes or breaks the doorbell device, the device will emit a siren sound, and the alarm will be received through the app. The siren sound can only be turned off in the app. The detection time during which motion is not activated can be set for each day of the week and time zone, and can be set up to 4 hours per day. Experience a differentiated security system by setting functions according to your needs. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please press the like and subscribe buttons.